The teaching of osteopathy for me has been an evolution in myself really over the past many years. The school has done everything it can do to bring principles alive in the education. And that word in itself means very little to most anyone. But what I'm really ultimately trying to do is teach people to think like some of the osteopaths would think that had treated me when I was younger. A lot of early American osteopaths that were utilizing principles and really learning to interact with the tissues. I think it's very, very important to have a very rigorous foundation in the sciences, neuroanatomy, neurophysiology, and a whole lot of lab time. I cannot understand osteopathic education without a long and intensive clinic rotation. We've seen 30,000 plus people in our student clinic over the last several years. The CAO has always recognized that the student clinic is where people really get the hands-on experience they need to be successful.